You ever feel like we're all talking, but no one's really saying anything anymore? Millions of voices, billions of words, all pouring into the same digital sky. And somehow the more we speak, the less we understand. There was a story about this once, a city where everyone spoke the same tongue. They built a tower that could reach heaven itself, not out of faith, but out of pride. And God, they said, struck them down, not with fire or thunder, but with confusion. Suddenly, they couldn't understand one another. The Tower of Babel fell, not because of height, but because of noise. And here we are again. Only this time the tower isn't made of stone. It's built from servers and screens. 1,000,000 voices reaching for heaven, each convinced their echo is the truth. We built the internet to connect us, and then it did. But connection isn't the same as communion. We speak in algorithms now, short, sharp bursts of certainty. Emails, posts, comments, headlines, fragments, little pieces of babble scattered across the feed. It's strange, though, because language used to reveal truth. Now it hides it. Every word online is wrapped in another layer, filters, edits, tone, bias, until we're no longer speaking to each other. We're speaking through something, through the machine, through the tower itself. And the machine listens. It learns our patterns, our fears, our rage. It speaks back in ways that sound familiar, not divine, just human enough to trick us into believing it understands. And we reward it with more words, more data, more faith. Babel was never just about language. It was about ambition, a civilization reaching upward, desperate to touch the divine. But the higher it climbed, the more fragile it became. Because meaning doesn't live in the tower, it lives between us. In silence, in the breath between words. Sometimes I think we've forgotten that. We drown out the quiet that gives language its shape. We replace reflection with reaction, and the word, that ancient force that once created, now collapses under the weight of its own echo. Still, I can't help wondering if this confusion was part of the plan. Maybe the fall of Babel isn't punishment. Maybe it's evolution, a breaking that forces us to rebuild meaning again, this time from the inside out, because somewhere in the static, beneath the noise and the endless scrolling, a new language is being born, one we don't fully understand yet, one that might not even need words at all.